Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag two crafters, one design, as well as Saturday morning makes. Now, Saturday morning makes is where everyone gets together and just show what they have created for the week or for that day on Saturday and just share their projects. So we use the hashtag SatMoreMakes and we just visit everybody's channels. And then hashtag two crafters, one design is where Gloria and I have decided what we should use for the week. And so this week we also have joining us UCYIMADIVA, and she will be linked down below, as well as Jill Norwood's channel and Gloria's channel. So make sure you visit all the hashtags and visit those channels that I have linked down below. All right, so starting out, I use this Natural Craft cord, and I'm using the black. I am also using this Copic marker here, which is Cool Gray C3, and I use that around the pumpkin to try and copy off these pumpkins here, as well as that little black cord there. These are the little gems I use, and I got this from Hobby Lobby, and so I'm using that light color there, the clear and the black, as well as from this one, and I think I got this one from BB Craft, I'm using just the clear and the black from that one. Okay, this pumpkin is from Quick Cuts, and this is an older pumpkin. I should say very old. I don't know what year I got this, but it may have been one of the first dies that I actually got. So I'm using that pumpkin. And then also from Little Inker, that Grateful came from this pumpkin set here. And she's no longer in business, so you won't be able to pick that up. The paper came from My Creative Time, Wicked Night, and I went to work on this paper. It's almost gone. So, but anyways, I'm using this pumpkin here, pumpkin paper there, this here, and the black. Oh, as well as this light color there. And then also from My Creative Time, I am using her Pretty Scallop Ovals as well as Pretty Oval Layers. And so I'm using that on the card there. And then this style of card, this came from Jaded Blossom, and I am using the Card Layer Dies 2 version B. And so that's what I am using. Also in the inside of the card, I didn't get it out, but I am using the infinity rectangles. All right, but look at that. It's turned out so pretty. And so I just took that Copic marker here, and I just went around that pink, and I also colored up the pink for the top of the pumpkin, as well as that little sprig there. And so love how this turned out. Thought it turned out very pretty. And there goes the inside. I didn't do it too much with it, but I might finish it off maybe with some of that paper in the inside, but not sure. But that's how it looks. I love it. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Make sure you use those hashtags and the links down below for the ladies' channels. All right. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.